left me was the radio, and it goes like ooh.
Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please go ahead to like, share, leave a comment down below, and subscribe if you have not subscribed. So what I'm going to do for you is I'm going to do a Dollar Tree and a Dollarama haul for you guys, because I went to 2 Dollarama, 1 Dollar Tree, so it's going to be like a general video. Alright, so I hope this video helps somebody out there, and I hope you guys like the video. Alright, so first we're going to start off. I started to go through the stuff. I have like a few bags. This is one bag. This is another one. I had 4 bags full already. And this is one more, and one is on the floor currently because I pulled and take out some of these stuff. So I bought this toilet brush, which is Scrubber Cleans, and it was $4 at Dollarama for my bathroom. Yep, so I have this for $1. I bought this in Dollar Tree. I think it was $1.50 or so for it, I don't remember. I bought this in Dollar Tree too as well. So this is the cotton swab, we'll call it ear screener, Q-tip in Jamaica. I'm not sure if any other country use that name, but it's a pack of 300, and I think it was $1.50 or so for. I'd have to look for the receipt and let you guys know how much it was, which probably not going to be that time soon because my bag is filled with a whole lot of stuff. So whenever I find that receipt, I'll let you guys. Alright, Dollarama. When we find a receipt, I'm not gonna know. Alright, I bought this packet of sticker in Dollar Tree. I think Dollar Tree was $1.50. Nothing is over $1.50. It's either $1.25 or $1.50. So stickers for the students. I also bought this planted between Dollar Tree so that I have it to snap on here too. In Dollar Tree I got 2 car chargers. This is mine. This is Odin for Odin's car. Yeah, I'm hoping that it is good and it's no cheap, nothing. It's cheap, but you know what I mean, like the quality makes sense. I also got a 30 pack sight words card thing, sight words card labels for class. So it has 30 words and it tells you all the words that is in the pack right there. Alright, that's it for Dollar Tree. Or is that it for Dollar Tree? I'm not sure. Oh no, definitely not. I got this for to pin my stuff in my kitchen, because sometimes I have things pull, they're open, and I am not having it all. I got some room fresheners. They actually smell really good. That is why I got them. They actually smell really good. Yeah, I got this chocolate gym bits. I got this chocolate lid chips, like a pack. I got ripe plantain chips. I got some baskets here. I got free wall art for my room. So these 3 wall art for my room, so I'm going to do like a, you know, a decor kind of like something like this for a space in my room, because I really want to do the tour and finish it up. And Dollarama. Oh, this is been, it's been undamaged, you know. Oh my god. Let me buy this stuff. I can't carry back. I'll take something else. I'm about to come to my class. It's a skeleton. About it, it's a skeleton. Because they're doing the skeleton and I bought it so I could add it in the class. But sure, next year was $1.50. I got a pack of sponge, which is $1.25 for 10. I got this in Walmart. It's the charcoal toothpaste. 3 of them for $7 something. That's with tax included. I got this air freshener set in Dollarama, $5 for the tree. This scent actually smells good. Smells good. Driftwood and sea spray. Smells good. So it's the Airwick brand, and I already have the warmers back at home. Alright, I got these hats in Dollarama, $3 for 1. I'm wondering, like, am I going to wear these? It's nice though. I got them in Dollarama. I got 2. I got this color here, and I got this color here. But it's like a mustard and a light pink or something like that. I got a pack of garbage bag for my bathroom. Any small bins I have in the house. This is not from the tree. I got this in Dollarama. This Nestle Carnation Rich and Creamy. It's like a sachet tea thing. When you make tea, I always buy them back at home. But I always buy the one with marshmallow. However, I went back at home, it's really pricey. And I got this pack of 10 for $3. So yep. And that's it. Yeah, and that's it. So that's it for my Dollar Tree. Like at my Dollarama. So in Dollarama I paid, at one of them I paid $37. Alright. In one of them I paid $37. In one of them I paid $17. And in which store? One of them I paid $40 something. So, and I went to Walmart and I got 2 gloves at Walmart. They were $3 for one. So this is one. This is one. And at Walmart, whatever I got, just this. The blouse and 2 roll-on and the toothpaste. Oh, did I say I got Ivory? I got this at Walmart. The Ivory pack soap bar, 10 bars. This was $4 something. $4. In Jamaica that is French and $1. And I got 10 for that, which is not bad. And then I bought this pack of 3 pear soap. I use pear soap for my face, so I got the pack of 3. So yeah, that's everything I got in Dollar Tree and Dollarama. Those stores, like, literally them going over their I mean, inflation is high, and the stores, they are proving that, listen, things and time not cheap again. So the last time I was there, and the prices that was out there, some of the prices that came back with my mind, those prices aren't what's going on at the stores anymore. While in the store, because I spend hours while in the store here, more than one person come in here and say like, aren't these the prices that these are prices I saw last time? I heard somebody say like, that was just $1, no it's $2. So you know, prices go up. So yeah, that's the few stuff that I got. That's it for this video. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.
Every single song tells me we're through. Yeah, but I can't turn it off 'cause it's